Hi folks and welcome. Today, another pair of Gucci sneakers here. As you can see, they do have quite a bit of wear, and they're also as flat as a pancake. So today I'm going to quickly do these up and get them looking a lot better. Give them a brush off. Having a look at the soles, they're actually quite clean. But just to get rid of any little bits of debris, I'm going to use a nylon brush here. Next, I'm going to clean out the inside and the insoles. As usual, I'm just going to use some Worth interior cleaner. The inside is actually quite clean, so this time I'm just going to give it a wipe out. By the looks of it, the dirtiest part of the shoe is actually the outside. So I'm just going to give it a clean off, also with the interior cleaner. Also little bits like this. Going to see if this mark will come off, or if it's going to need any other sort of cleaner. Just going to give it a light spray, as the dirt is not too heavy. Just using a light brush. Now these are much cleaner to work with. You can actually see and feel how they are condition wise. And again, with a lot of the shoes that I get in, these ones are really quite dry. And I think if they dry out a little bit more, they'd be quite susceptible to cracking. I usually use Saphir Rejuvenated to moisturize the leather, but I've got something a bit different today. I've got this, which is Cream Delicate. This one's for more delicate kind of leathers. I've also heard that it's pretty good for matte leathers as well. So this being quite matte and not really shiny, this also feels quite soft and delicate. I thought I'd try it out. It certainly feels and smells a little bit different from the Rejuvenated, so we'll see how this reacts. Now to aid application on the toe area and the rest of it, and also to get some shape, I'm just going to put in a shoe tree. Now that's dried in quite nicely. After brushing it off, I can see here that it's more matte than the Rejuvenated finish. And just on the suede part here, I'm going to use a suede brush. These are looking much nicer. And it's a really nice finish, which I would leave at that, but unfortunately there are a few scuffs and scrapes. So I want to cover these up, and for that I'm just going to use some Saphir Medalla d'Or. Now this is a sort of cream polish that is pigmented, but it doesn't leave it too shiny, so I should get the result that I'm wanting from this. Now that's the time to soak in. Just going to give it a brush off with a horsehair brush. I'm going to be careful to brush away from the suede here, just because I don't want to brush anything onto it and maybe get a transfer mark. I'm quite pleased with this finish. It's not too shiny. It might look a bit brighter with the light here, but it's actually really quite nice. And I'm very pleased with it. Now I think to finish these off, a new set of laces would go down very well. With less than 1 hour of work, these shoes, which were picked up for cheap online, looking quite bad, worn, dry, were transformed into these. Something a lot more usable, so much more nicer, clean and ready to wear. Just shows you, with a little bit of effort and some attention, things can be brought back and made to look nice again. Well folks, thanks for watching. If you liked that, please feel free to leave a thumbs up. It really does help the channel. If you'd like to check out some more videos, I've got quite a few more listed. And if you want to see more for the future, feel free to hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Have a good day.